The easiest way to get started with JobNimbus is to create a contact. Click the Add Contact button at the top of JobNimbus and then enter the contact's information. You can also import a list of contacts from another system like Outlook, Excel, or other CRMs. Once your contact is saved, you can add notes to track your sales activities, such as phone calls and emails. You can also add jobs to this contact. A job in JobNimbus is a project. You can work on multiple projects with this contact at the same time. Use the Action menu in the top right corner to add a job. Enter the details about this job and save it. The job allows you to keep all of your notes, tasks, and attachments organized for each project you're working on. You can track to-dos, reminders, follow-up activities, appointments, and even schedules using JobNimbus tasks. Tasks can be added to contacts or jobs. Enter a task name and set a due date and time. You can create tasks for yourself or for other team members. When you add a task, it will appear on the job screen, on your dashboard, and on your calendar. We'll also send an email to remind you about tasks that are due each day. You can see the calendar in day, week, or month views. Click the Show Options link at the top to view other team members' calendars side by side with yours. The JobNimbus search provides a powerful way to find contacts, jobs, and tasks. Search by name, email, address, and phone number to quickly find something. You can get help at any time by clicking the Help icon at the top of JobNimbus. And that's just the beginning of what JobNimbus can do.